5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yup, we made a profit from $10. We are profitable 8 times in a row, and now our balance is 1,861 US dollar. That's crazy. You can see all orders is green. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to MAFIA Trader. Alright, special for this video, I will withdraw my money for 12,473 US dollar on this account, and then I will start trading challenge. Here I will start from $10, so I will demonstrating to you that you can make money online by trading with only small amount. But before we are going to the video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because I'm pretty sure this channel will be helpful for you to make a lot of money. Alright guys, so here I'm already on the trading platform, so I will make a withdrawal first. On this pocket option platform, I highly recommend you to withdraw using TRC20. This is the cryptocurrency. I will withdraw for 12,463.68. So we leave $10. Alright, we'll check my pound. The pin is 6811 and continue. Oh shit, I left for 18 cents. That's okay. Alright guys, let's go back to the trading platform. So I will start a trading for $10 here, and I will consistently using the red line strategy, because this strategy is very simple and very powerful. And here I will share to you for free how to make a trade and make a profit using this strategy. The first thing you need to do is go to the indicators and add moving average. Alright, so here this is moving average. The period you need to change to 7, and go to the stars, go to red, because this strategy namely red line strategy, and then save. And as additional indicator I will add MACD. Where is MACD? This is it. The settings for MACD is default, so you don't need to change anything for that indicator. This indicator only help for you to see the momentum. And alright, so here, because this is still small balance, so I will try to enter the trade for the high probability only, so we can compounding. And I hope we can make a $1,000 for this video. Alright guys, this market is pretty stable, so we can try to buy option on the next candle, and here we can buy options. Why I made buy option on this candle? That because as you can see here, all of the candles is above the red line, so that means this is an uptrend. If you see an uptrend, our option is only buy, don't sell option. Alright, so that's make you simple. And here as you can see, because this is an uptrend, so the price will move from the below to the upside. And here I think we make a profitable for our first trade. Let's see our trade. Alright guys, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profitable trade for our first trade. As you can see here, this is our first trade. Now we can continue for 19.55. Alright guys, on this market the price forming is not really good, but the momentum is very perfect for us to follow the trend. So I will try to buy option on this market. Let's see, let's wait for the next candle on this market. I will buy options, but of course we wait for the price to touching the red line or approaching the red line like this. Yep, I think this is perfect. The momentum is very big, as you can see here. And yep, all of the candles is above the red lines. that means this is an uptrend and our option is buy option. So here we make an entry when the candles try to approaching to the red line, because the price will bounce up and continuing the trend. You can see here. Alright guys, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and absolutely profit. This strategy is very powerful. If you want to learn more about this strategy, you can text me on Telegram. The link is on the description box below. Alright, let's continue our trading here for $37.15 US. Alright guys, on this market the price tried to break into the red line, and here we can buy options when the candle is touching to the red line. Because why? As you know, here in the previous the candle is breaking to the red line. This is a downtrend, and then because this is the big candle, the price tried to balancing, and here counter by green candle. So that means when the candles is try to touching the red line like this, the price will continuing an uptrend. So this is perfect for us. And as you can see here, because we have a good entry levels, even the candle is red and we make buy options, we still have a profitable trade. This strategy is very powerful, right? Because even the candle is red and we choose buy option, we make a profit because we have good entry levels. So let's continue. I will continue for $71.33 US. Alright guys, so I think we can buy option again, but we need to wait because this market is very aggressive and not a perfect trend. So I think we need to have a good, really good entry levels. This is good entry levels, but we are too late, and that's okay. We still can wait for the next candle because there is opportunities for the price is breaking to the red line again. And here the price touching the red line for 2 times, and here I don't know where's the direction for this market. I need to wait for the momentum. If I see the momentum to the upside or downside, we can make an entry on this market. Okay, the momentum is sell, so I think we can sell options. Let's see our trading. Alright guys, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yep, we made a profit. That's really close. We are almost losing, so here we can continue for 95 US. And here we can sell option again because the direction and the momentum is going down, but we need to wait for a good entry levels, of course, because we are using the red line strategy that even for buy option and the candle is red, we can still have a probability to make a profitable trade. Alright, so here, I think let's move on for this market, and we can sell option on this market for 10 seconds because I believe we have good entry levels. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I thought we lost, but because the gap, we make a profitable trade. We can see the open time is 20.50.506 and the open price is 1.896343 and the closing price is 1.896341. Only 2 points. Damn, we make a profitable trade for the gap because our closing times is not exactly 0.0. There is 13 milliseconds, I don't know, so that's why we make a profitable trade. So we are lucky I don't need to re-recording again because we lost on this entry. So let's continue for 262.94. Alright, that's correct. We can buy options. I don't have a good entry levels again. That's bad. Because why I made buy option? That because on the close price of these candles already above the red line, so that means this is an uptrend. But let's see, because we don't have a good entry levels, but we hope this candle would be a green candle. If you see, the momentum is positive for the upside. Alright guys, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yep, we made a profitable trade again. That's very good. And here we can continue for 504.84 US dollar. Our $10 is changed to 500 US dollars, so we need to be careful. So in this market we have a good entry levels. As you can see here, all of the candles is above the red line, so that means this is a downtrend. But here on this candle, the close price is above the red line, so that means the trend is shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend. And here we have a good entry levels because the price is approaching to the red line. And here even the candle is red and we made buy options, we still have a profitable trade for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah, absolutely profitable. All right, let's continue for 969.29. as you can see here, we are profitable for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in a row. Very rare for me if I success for 8 times in a row, because to make a compounding trading challenge like this, it's take time, a lot of time, because not always success. Sometimes I failed, so I re-recording again and failed again and re-recording again. And here we can buy options, and yep, that's perfect. Why? Because as you know here, this is the candle is still above the red line, so this is still an uptrend. And here when the candle try to touching the red line like this, that's our opportunities to make buy options, because we have a good entry levels. So I hope we still make a profitable trade, and this will be our last trade. Oh, the momentum is very small. Come on, I still believe we will make a profitable trade for our last trade. Alright, that's good. 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yup, we made a profit from $10. We are profitable 8 times in a row, and now our balance is 1,861 US dollar. That's crazy. You can see all orders is green. Alright guys, I will continue this challenge in the next video, and in the next video I will try to get $10,000 from this balance, and I hope we are success. And if you want to learn about this strategy, you can text me on Telegram, because I share my private strategy, and this strategy is very powerful and very perfect for you if you are a beginner, because very simple strategy. So text me on Telegram, the link is on the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because this channel will helpful for you to make a lot of money on these trading activities, especially for pocket option platform. And thank you for watching.